You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to hear how to pronounce Danica. Danica, that's one way of saying it. Now, it's quite popular name in the US, and the American English pronunciation is more commonly as Danica, Danica, or Danica. Now in Spanish it'd be definitely Danica, also British English Danica, or US Danica. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.